How to fix Snapchat Director Mode not working or missing from your app. Try these steps to fix the problem. First, open Snapchat and check the camera screen for Director Mode. If you don't see it, start by updating Snapchat. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat and tap Update if an update is available. Next, check that Snapchat has permission to use your camera and microphone. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then check Camera and Microphone. Make sure Snapchat has access. Also, you can try reinstalling the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Select Snapchat, choose Offload App, and then tap Reinstall App. After reinstalling, sign back in again. If Director Mode is still missing, the feature may currently be unavailable for your account, device, or region. In that case, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat and check again later. And that's how to troubleshoot Snapchat Director Mode when it's not working. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.